Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to log out from Streamlabs OBS. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, open your OBS and click on settings, click on stream, and here you'll find your account. All you have to do is just click on disconnect account. Yes, apply. Okay, now open your browser and open your Streamlabs dashboard. Make sure to log in into your account, and now click on your profile icon here and click on log out, and that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.